Hey there! In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to send an order to one of our fulfillment partners through your Instaproofs account. Now to get started, we'll click on the Selling tab, go into the Orders page, and here we can see a list of the orders that currently haven't been shipped. I'm going to click on this first order here, and here we can see the order details that our clients have selected through their client gallery. On this option, you can see that it's been cropped, so it has an indicator here indicating that it's been cropped. If we click on the name of the image, it'll show it larger and it'll show their cropped area here. These options have add-ons that were added to them, such as a high-resolution digital download and our client selected glossy paper. If we scroll down, we can see that they've selected deep matte as an add-on option on this one, and this is a low-resolution instant download, so it won't be fulfilled with our print order, but our clients can download it from the receipt that they received. If we look below, we have a multi-image product here where our clients have selected 3 different images, and each of the images are shown here. To send this order to the lab for fulfillment, we're going to come up, and right next to where it says Lab Fulfillment, we're going to click Begin Fulfillment Process. Once this link's been clicked, we'll see the options that are available to us for fulfilling the order, and at the top of the page here is the Ship To information, and then our shipping method that we want to send this order through. We can select standard shipping, 2-day, or next day air with Richard Photolab. If we wanted to change to a different lab instead of Richard Photolab, we can click on this box and select Miller's or any other lab that we might have set up. I'm going to go ahead and head back to Richard Photolab. We're going to leave all the other options as they are at the top. And here we can see the prints that have been ordered by our clients in this order. You might notice on this page that we have some items in red, and this is just indicating to us that an add-on has been purchased for this specific image. That way we don't miss the add-on and just order it as a standard print. But for example, they said here that they would like glossy paper. So instead of the luster paper that was selected by default, I'll change that to glossy. You'll also see a size warning on some of these larger images, and that indicates that the image that was originally uploaded for this might be a little bit too small for a 16 by 20 print. We can proceed if we'd like to, or we can select a new image that might be larger as we go through the fulfillment process. Once you've reviewed the options here, the next option asks you if you'd like color correction or specialty packaging. If you'd like color correction, we select Lab Color Correction. We select it here, and we add it to our order. Now the price here of $5.10, that's each image is going to cost us 85 cents, and that's where the $5.10 comes from. This will be different depending on the size of your order. If we want to add elegant packaging, we select Elegant Packaging, add the packaging option that we'd like, and add that to our order as well. Once all the options have been set here, we click on the Save and Continue to Crop option. As this page refreshes, it'll show us everything that's been selected up to this point. We can see that the original color was the original option, that our client selected a 5x7 print, and that we're ordering a 5x7 luster print from the lab. If we want to adjust the crop, we can do that here, and then we just click Save and Next Image. This process allows us to go through each of our images and make sure that the crop is correct, and nobody's cropped out of the pictures if there's a large group image or something of that sort. We'll click Save and Next. On this page you can see that a crop has already been selected for us, and that's indicated here, cropped by client yes. This was the crop that was selected through the client galleries. You can still adjust it if you'd like to, but this is the crop that your client selected, and you might want to leave it as it is. If you ever want to change the paper type or the print size of the image as you're going through the fulfillment process, you can do that by clicking this Change Size link right here, and then selecting what specific size and paper you'd like to use. If you want to change it to something different, for example, instead of a paper print, if we wanted to send this as a canvas print, we could select Canvas Gallery Wrap, select the option, and save. Once the page refreshes, we can see that the Canvas Gallery Wrap is showing us the borders around the canvas. We can adjust the crop as we'd like, save and next just like any of the other images. We'll continue through all of our images here. And at the end of the process, you select your payment type, review the order, make sure everything looks as you'd like it to look, and finally click the Submit button to send the order to the lab. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about sending your orders to the lab, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.